What's up guys, welcome to Rev Rain. And welcome to our new shop.
Already won. Never be defeated. Already won. Already won. Never be defeated. Already won.
That's right, me and the boys got a new shop. Let me take you on a tour. So in here, as you walk in, you got the shower room and lockers. And then over here, we have the bathroom. Nice little turlet, sink, super simple. And as you walk over here, this is Jesse's little corner with his GTI and his bike. We've got another garage door, so 1 and 2. And then in this corner, we have, it's really dirty now, but our little dorm room. So when we're not working on cars, we can hang out in here and chill. Maybe put a little dartboard or TV in there. We got all the amenities we need, a nice couch bed. And out here we got my corner. This is where my Miata sits currently, my toolbox, and a nice little fridge, and the beginnings of our Hot Wheels collection. And then in here, these offices are gonna be torn down and rebuilt, but we've got our main waiting room office. We plan on having a arcade machine there and like a Sega Rally, and some couches. I don't know what all that crap is, but yeah, so these are going to be torn down, ceilings built higher and extended, and this is our sales office. Out here we plan on having wheels and steering wheels and steering wheel adapter hubs and all that to sell. We're partnering with a company, possibly, I can't say the name right now. And then out here we have the heater. Lots of open space, enough space for two post lifts that we're gonna put in. One at a 45-degree angle there, another one right there. Over here is Nevin's fabrication and welding corner. Plan on having sheet metal on the walls to keep it from burning and anything catching on fire. He has his welders and his gas in the corner. And yeah, that's pretty much it right now. Just a big open space for us to work on cars with. We do plan on renovating the entire shop with new lights and new walls, some nice fresh drywall, and really bright LEDs. Right now they're just fluorescents that buzz. I'm sure you can hear it. Yeah, it's annoying. We've got a bumping sound system for this place, and yes, that may or may not be a tank turbo. So out here we've got a huge lot. I plan on paving it eventually and having car meets here. Right now we've got our project cars waiting out here, and then this is the whole building. Need some landscaping, but nothing we can't do in like a day. Nice little front to the main street of my town. We plan on selling cars here. Over here on this side of the building is the entrance to these offices. There's no door currently, but we plan on getting a nice glass door for that. So yeah, subscribe, stick around. We'll be doing renovation videos soon.